Hello and welcome to our syllabus review for Math 20-120 Fundamentals of College Math, co-requisite course. This is section 4111 and for the summer of 2021. Give you a little advisory here. There may be some typos in here, so please forgive me on that, and I'll make changes as I can. So my name is Jeff Downs. I'm the instructor for this course. My email address is jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. My office phone number is 775-445-4231. Prerequisites. Success in Intermediate Algebra, Algebra 2, Math 96 or similar course is recommended. As preparation for this course, the student should meet with a counselor to determine readiness based on placement or equivalent exam, high school coursework, or other factors. Course description studies probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. Course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. And so, interesting course, and with the co-requisite part, that's some other support we're going to be doing throughout the course. And we're going to have weekly meetings with this class on Wednesdays at noon, and if we do need to make some adjustments, we can try to do that. I'm using a new book to me. It's a whole package of software. I think it'll be a better system for the students. I'm really hoping. I like this course. I like what it covers, and it just gives some really good information that you may not otherwise be exposed to. It is a 3-unit course, a 3-credit course. The total is 4.5 if you count the co-requisite portion. Course objectives are here. Let you read through that. Course credits 3, like I said, where it's 4.5 with the other part. Transferability within Nevada. It works with all the Nevada schools. Linkage to the college mission. Provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So our textbook is Mathematics for Liberal Arts. And in the little window here, this looks like. Woo, okay. It's by Lumen, and it's a pretty interesting book. It has a lot of interesting ideas. It's a lot cheaper than normally we would have it with books, and that's for this $25 for the software as well, all this access. So when you go to register, there should be a 14-day trial you can try, and then do the purchase. You could purchase the access code from the bookstore, and I believe you can purchase it directly from them, but I'm not sure, this Lumen company. So you should have access to the textbook of some type. Either I like having the paper book, or there's the online book that's embedded within the modules. I prefer using the TI-84 graphing calculator for the course, but you really don't need to buy one for this course. There are several that are available. Phone calculators. There's also the calculator that's embedded into the material that you can use. And I made a video. You can see me using one in the video. Grades will be based on a point system, so the Math 120 portion of the course uses the review and readiness checks and review for success post checks. So when you look at the assignments, that first part is for the Math 20 grade. For Math 120, the course uses the practice, aka the homework, and the quizzes. The course gradebook is divided into these groups to allow students to understand their grade groupings for respective portions of the course. Grading scale for the Math 20 is an SU. So the Math 20, the co-requisite material, your final course grade will be an S, pass, or U, fail. If you pass the Math 120 course with a D- or better, you will get an S for the 20 portion. If your average for the Math 120 portion gets below 60, your grade for 20 will be an S if you pass the co-requisite material with an 80% and a U otherwise. The grading scale for Math 120 is A, B, C, D, F, pretty standard there. Weekly course requirements, please do these in the order given below to get the most out of the course. Complete the readings, assignments, assessments, and quizzes in each module. In the order they're listed, they are due Friday of each week. Links to these are below the syllabus on the course homepage. So if you go to the syllabus page of the course, you'll find those links. You can also find them in the assignments in the modules, so many places to find them. Be sure to watch all the videos that are presented in the reading assignments from the online Lumen textbook. Some modules have additional videos which are produced by the math department or are given by outside sources. These are optional, but you will find them helpful for reinforcing what you learned in the Lumen book and videos. So watch all the videos. do the homework and the practice part, do the quizzes. We're going to have weekly live meetings. Like I said, I want to have them on Wednesdays at noon. If we have to change that, we can. So if you have questions, please post them in the discussion boards. In the past courses, I required discussion boards as part of the grade. I'm not doing that this time. I want to see how this works differently. So if you have questions, please put it in the discussion board, and maybe one of your students or I can answer it, or we can answer it at the next weekly class meeting. So the week would start, you could even say either after everything's due on Friday, so you can start Saturday with the new material, and by Wednesday hopefully you'd know enough to have questions, and it's not everything you do at the last minute. But that's the idea, is we can answer questions that are going on that week so you can get things done by Friday. Grading of coursework assignments completed on Lumen OHM are automatically graded by the program. The final grades recorded by the program that are transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for this course is the Canvas grade, though, not the gradebook on Lumen. If you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review. Extra credit, there's no opportunities for extra credit in this course. If you need something open that may have closed, we can talk about that though. Electronic devices, you will need to use a laptop, computer, or handheld device with internet access to access the assignments. I really recommend using a laptop or desktop. It might be hard with a tablet, but I mean, you can give it a try. Attendance requirements during the first week of the class. You must complete the OHM tutorial. I made a video about this where I worked through the tutorial. It doesn't take that long, and I spoke through it. It took like 10 minutes. You can do it in less time than that. But you need to show some kind of work being completed in that first week. If this is not completed, you risk losing federal financial aid. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Please use proper etiquette when making postings in the discussion boards and Canvas. For tips on etiquette, see the discussion postings page on our Canvas page. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison. There's his email address. Disability statement: Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all students with disabilities. This syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. Students with disabilities, if you are seeking classroom accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act, you are required to register with the Disability Support Services. DSS is located in the Cedar 209 on the Carson City campus. There's a phone number and email address to Susan Trist. To receive academic accommodations for this class, please obtain the proper DSS forms and meet with me at the beginning of the semester. Okay, here are important dates. This is not an exhaustive list. These are commonly important dates, so you might review anything that might come up. And I would say, if you have a question about anything, if you're planning to drop or whatever, please look it up online, so with the college website, in case something changed or something was put in here incorrectly. And finally, here is our schedule for the summer. Okay, I mean, we're going to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You could say it's 11 sections. They're not long sections, not like full or chapters. They're not like full long chapters. So it's very doable, in my opinion, to do this. Otherwise, I wouldn't have this much stuff. But this is a 4.5 credit class, so we will have time, this live meeting time, to go over some other prerequisite knowledge that might be lacking or you need some extra help with. So anyway, looking forward to this class. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to getting to know everyone more. So let's go forward and have fun this summertime. Okay, bye.